Teachers should always be watching for cyberbullying in their classrooms as well as around the school. As they bring technology into classrooms more and more, cyberbullying becomes an issue that needs to be dealt with. Students tend to think that because they are doing it on a computer or another device that they won't be caught. This is not the case, however. You should be watching for increased device usage, and along with that, you should be watching if any students are hesitant to get onto their devices. Students should be informed about the school's policy regarding cyberbullying, as well as knowing where to go if they or someone they know is being cyberbullied. Schools should also have strict rules and disciplinary actions set in place for students who have cyberbullied another. Some helpful tips if you are being bullied are to ignore the bully, bring it to the attention of an adult, teacher, or parent, block the bully on the social media or website that they are using, and collect all of the evidence that you have against that person.